Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing an unboxing of this Pokémon Oreo packet. So there are 16 Pokemon to discover, and there's one legendary one that is the Mewtwo, also known as Mew. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna let my brother go through and see if he could find the legendary rare Mew. What is that?
Charmander.
Charmander.
Yeah,
that Pokemon.
You help them. You guys both do it.
Okay. Here's Grookey or Grookey. This is Bulbasaur. What is that one inside? That is a Squirtle. This is a Rowlet.
We're getting close.
What else? This is a Draton. This is a Jigglypuff. This is a Cyndaquil.
Piplup.
That's Piplup. This is Piplup.
Okay.
These two are duplicates, Grookey and Squirtle.
Here's Pikachu.
Of course you could pronounce that one right. This is Pancham. This is Sableye.
This one's the fire person.
Here's a duplicate of Charmander. Let me find
That Lapras. Lapras.
Where's Charmander at? Here's Lapras.
Oh, I can see they hided one behind there.
Here's another duplicate of Sableye.
Boom.
Squirtle. Here's Draton again. This is another Charmander.
This must be very, very unlucky, but you're gonna get it. Pikachu again!
Here's Pikachu again. Use it upside down. Here's Pancham again. Duplicate.
Boom.
Here's a Squirtle. We have 4 Squirtles. That's a lot. Grookey again. Piplup.
Again!
Dragon. Here's a Bulbasaur.
The last one is the shiny.
Here's a
Wait.
Shinbi.
Wait! Where's the other?
Here's the Shinbi.
We messed up.
And here's a Choco.
Okay, so did you happen to find the rare one?
No, we did not. Last time when I ate these, I found it and I ate it.
So what do you tell them to do? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
If you wanted
If you want
to see you eat a 25,000.
if you want to see me eat a $25,000 Mew.